and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. In today's episode, I am going to show you how I made banner silicone molds using these wooden banner templates that I purchased off Amazon. And for this project, I'm gonna use these wooden banners, then aluminium tape, some transparent sticky sheet, and double-side tape. So I'm starting by combining 3 banners together to make my mold. That is how thick I would like to have. And I am sticking them together with this double-side sticking sheet. Let's take a moment and talk a little bit about this project. Some time ago on Instagram, I came across these banners that are made out of glass, and they were beautifully decorated with flowers, and these people make banners with the letters of people names. So they looked super cute, and I thought, why not try to make a mold and make these kind of banners out of resin? And I thought about this idea, and it was actually doable. So here I am, making it in reality. Also, I was lucky enough to find these triangles, banners out of wood that are perfect in size, and I didn't have to make my own. That I know if I would make my own, they wouldn't be proper straight or cut neatly. So it's great that I found these ones. Oh, sorry, got carried away with my story. What I didn't tell you here, I applied a transparent sheet on my top side. That's gonna be the bottom side of the mold. So the mold comes out nice and glossy. And after this step, I am going to use aluminium tape to tape the edge as neat as I can. I'm using this tape because it's the one I had at home, but you can use any tape, for example, copper tape, or even a regular duct tape, as long as it is a glossy finish. So after that's been done, the mold blank is finished, and now it's time to make the border for the silicone to be poured in. And for this, I'm having a sticky sheet that I cut out, and I am going to make the borders out of foam board. And once again, it's the material that I had in my studio. It can be made out of plexiglass or maybe you have some plastic tub that you can use. It's up to you, your choice. So here I am constructing my border, and of course lots of hot glue is going to be involved. And here I have my mold release spray, so that way the mold will come out easier. And now is the fun part, the mold making. I am using pure mold from Resin Pro company. It is very easy silicone rubber to use. You just mix equal parts together and pour it, and you will have a mold in the end. It's great because it doesn't smell. I have used it several times, and yeah, I'm very happy with how it is and how it performs. You need to mix it very well for 2 to 3 minutes, and then it's ready to pour. One thing before making your mold is make sure that your work area is leveled well, because you don't want to have a wonky mold. And this is actually the first time that I mix too much silicone rubber. Never happened before. Also, you wanna pour from up high so you get less bubbles. And after that, it's good to tap a bit around and blow a bit as well. And this is after 24 hours. And it's time to see our mold, and I need to fight a bit to get it out. But in the same time, I'm trying to be gentle because I would like to reuse these borders for another mold. Because I would like to make 3 of them so I can pour resin all at once in 3 molds. And I can make my banner in 2 goes, or yeah, we'll see. In the future, maybe I make even more molds. And that's end for part 1. And next video, I'm gonna show you how I fill them. And it's gonna be just in time for Halloween. But for now, I'm saying bye. Until next time. Keep creating. Bye!